Hey there, so far we have gone through with array. What is it, how to store values in it and how to access values from it, right? In this video, we will get in touch with array's basic property, length. What would be our approach if you were to count the total number of items in an array? We will start counting from 1 to that number until we are finished, right? Everyone is okay for small arrays, but what about bigger arrays? It becomes very difficult to count. So here comes the array.length property. Array.length property is used to get the total number of items in an array. Basically the size of the array. This property gets created automatically. We do not have to write any specific code to generate this. Let's take an example. We have an array which contains 5 fruits. Let's see this in console. We see that there are 5 fruits: mango, banana, grapes, kiwi and orange. Printed in console, right? At the very beginning, there is an expanded arrow. As we click on this, we see those 5 fruits with their index values. Mango is at 0th index, banana is at 1st, grapes is at 2nd, kiwi is at 3rd and orange is at 4th. So these numbers from 0 to 4 are the index of those array items. What is the index now? We have seen this in our last video that a number is fixed with an array items automatically. This is known as index. We have not added any specific code to generate this length property, right? This is added automatically. So again, to print the total size of the array, .length property is used. With recent comment, let's see this action live. I will create 2 HTML buttons. First button will add items to the array and second button will print the total number of items in the array. We would like to see the total number of items of the array when we are done with that. Hence, we have named first button as add items and second button as print items. Let's create 2 methods for those 2 action buttons. First method will push items to the array and second method will print the size of the array. Let's declare array variable outside of the functions, because if we declare it in first method, second method won't know about this. It is totally unaware what length it will print, right? Hence, array variable is declared outside of both functions so that both functions can see that, both functions can access that variable. We would add around 10 items in an array. So as soon as we click on add items button, we see a prompt asking to enter an item. Enter an item is the same message we have given in prompt method. So the item we give to the prompt will push that item to the array. Push is again an array method which is used to push items to the array. This method always push the item at the last of the array. Now while pushing the items, there will be a moment we won't know how many items we have added, we have pushed, right? And there second button will come into the picture. We will click on the second button. Print total items function is bound to that, and hence it will print the total items we have pushed to the array so far. And for this we have used array.length property. So again, to print total items of the array, total size of the array, we use array.length property. This values is always a numeric value and is greater than the array's highest index value. I hope you enjoyed this array.length session. Next video will be on index of, another array method. So keep learning. Signing off.